With Christmas just 1 week away, let's take a look at what's been working this holiday shopping season. Joining us right now is Sucharita Kodali. She is a retail analyst from Forrester Research. And Sucharita, we've been watching a lot of these. I think I know that it's the Walmarts, the Targets, the big box guys that are working, and it's the people in the mall, the stores in the mall that are not working so much. Is that your thesis?
Pretty much. You have good sales with the mass merchants. They're doing pretty well. Online.com, of course, has been on fire for years and continues to be. So expect Amazon to have another banner year. And then, of course, the merchants like J.Crew, Gap, some of those traditional mall merchants are the ones that are struggling. Brands are doing well, too, like Nike.
I mean, it's probably not a huge surprise if you look at the stocks. Those are the ones that have been performing incredibly well. It's the ones in the mall that have not. Anything surprising you this holiday season? Anything that says, wait a second, this goes against the grain?
Actually, not really, because it's been a pretty consistent story. The momentum from the earlier part of the year is continuing to carry through to Q4. If anything, we get a lot of questions about tariffs and if that's going to have any impact. The truth is most of the merchandise that the retailers are selling came in long before the tariffs even took impact. So that's having a negligible impact on pricing and on consumer sales. So that hasn't happened. It's more what's not surprising than I think what is.
Is there anything that could stop any of the big retailers, Target, Walmart, Amazon, the ones who are doing so well, anything that could really throw a wrench into things? Would it be a recession? Would those companies do well even in case of a recession because they tend to be discounters and so maybe more consumers would go there? What do you think?
Well, during the last recession, we saw that Walmart was outpacing the rest of the market, but even they had softness. So definitely a recession would be bad for every retailer, and that would not insulate even companies like Amazon, I think. But what we do see is that they end up outpacing, and you have companies like Amazon that are diversified into so many other sectors that helps them. So you have AWS, you have their marketing and ad business. So they have that insulation. Other retailers, unfortunately, don't. And then they end up having to lean into categories like grocery and other commodities to make up some of those discretionary items that they would have sold otherwise.